All right, guys, this is the one we call the Big Bertha 1.0. Doing me a little quick walkthrough video here. As you can see, we got something new inside the Big Bertha. This is a beautiful wood burning stove. We have partnered up with a company that makes beautiful wood burning stoves because everybody's always asking us, hey, do you guys offer wood burning stove packages with your cabins? Well, guess what? Now we do. The company that manufactures the wood burning stoves heard one of our videos where people kept asking about wood burning stoves, so they sent me a couple of them to educate y'all upon them. So now, as you can see, we got these big, beautiful wood burning stoves. Now, of course, we're gonna do them in many different shapes and sizes, but beautiful wood burning stove here that we can now offer in our cabins. So again, if you're looking for a cabin or a wood burning stove, give us a call. We can get it done. Look at those beautiful knotty pine kitchen cabinets. Look at that live edge table built in with the 4 stools. Again, whether you're looking for a cabin, like what you see here with the Big Bertha 1.0, or you're looking for a beautiful wood burning stove that's gonna last a lifetime. It does have a cook stove on top, so you can do your cooking. You got a warming oven here. You got your, where your wood goes over there, and then you got your cook stove right here on top. So you can get down and get some cooking going. See what I'm saying? So you do your cooking on top. You got your warming oven, and then you got your spot for your firewood. Beautiful structure. We ship them nationwide, guys. So again, whether you're looking for a cabin or a wood burning stove, we got you. Let me go upstairs and show you the second floor while I'm running the camera here. Up here on the second floor of the Big Bertha 1.0. As you can see, we got the lofted bedrooms up on the second floor connected by the catwalk. Again, there's your live edge table, front door over here, back door, and then you got this. Again, I'm a tall fella, I'm 6'6", and I can stand straight up and down up on the second floor. Remember too, if you want, we can wall this room off and privatize it like we did this bedroom over there. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. We can wall it off and privatize it for you, or keep it open. It's up to you. So let me open this one up for you so you can see what this looks like. Again, just a beautiful cabin built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, lofted cabin. All kinds of natural light. This is what it looks like in the bedroom with the door shut. Okay, beautiful, right? And again, that's what it looks like on the other side. We can close that room off and privatize it or leave it open. All right, how's everybody doing today? Today we're just doing a little video. We got the Chapo Muchacho 1.0 and 2.0. And we're gonna do a little walkthrough video, walking through both of them. One of them's more rustic and one of them's more modern, but they got the exact same dimensions, which is a 14 by 40 livable with a 6 foot by 40 foot porch. One of them's built more rustic, like you can see here with the wood, 4 by 6 timber stack. And then the other one's got more of a 2 by 6 modern exterior stud framing with the black board and bat metal siding on it. So one of them's more modern and one of them's more rustic. This one again got a 6 foot by 40 foot front covered porch. Let's take you inside this baby right here. So you walk inside And it's like an open concept. Got your kitchenette that's gonna go right there. You got your living room over there. Beautiful structure. You can smell that pine in here. It smells amazing. Wish I had smell-o-vision. Over here you put your stove, put you a sink right here. You can see we're getting ready to install that sink. Put you a refrigerator in that little nook. Maybe some more cabinets up top. And again, a lot of people ask, can you paint these? Yes, you can. But a lot of people leave that natural knotty pine. Look at them floors. Absolutely beautiful. Now, both the El Chapo 1.0 and 2.0 I got on my lot right now. Both of them are, again, like I said, 560 square feet. And both of them are 2-bedroom, 1-bath setups, okay? So as you go down here, you got 2 windows here in the hallway. You got a spot here where your tub, toilet, and sink is gonna go, which makes a lot of sense, right? Because this is where all your plumbing is gonna come for your kitchen. And then as you go to the back, you got bedroom number 1. And then you see we got these barn doors on them. So you got the barn door set up. So you got that set up. And then you got bedroom number 2, which is the master here at the end. So again, 2-bed, 1-bath setup. This one can easily accommodate a queen size bed or smaller. And remember, we can always adjust this floor plan to accommodate a king size bed as well by just moving the floor plan around a little bit. Because remember, when you order these cabins, we can make them to order just for you. Okay, so keep that in mind. So there you go. So again, set it up any way you want. We can make it a 1-bed, 1-bath. We can make it a 2-bed, 1-bath. But again, everything you need, nothing you don't. You got your double pane windows, vinyl, easy clean. And if you buy this cabin just the way you see it here, which of course doesn't come with electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, or the appliances, is $69,900. But let's say you want it fully turnkey with everything in it. This one's 110 grand, 110. And again, this is the one we call the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0. This is our rustic cabin. Okay, so let's go next door, and we're doing a little comparison video. I'm gonna take you next door and show you. All right, guys, today we're gonna talk about the new park model we got on the lot. This is the one we got called the Bington. Beautiful structure. Again, built by the Amish. This one's more of a modern style. The Bella next to it is more of a rustic style. So let's go on in and show you this. Got a big step here. We're gonna have to put a step up here to be able to, okay? One of the things you'll notice right away that I love is all that knotty pine over there on the covered porch. I love it because you got that light knotty pine on the porch and the dark beams, and then you got that knotty pine on the front. Like I said, it's got that Scandinavian look where you got the mix of the wood with the black metal. And I always love that look. Now, when you go inside, it does have the black door on it with the big glass window for all that natural light. Now, what I love about this one is when you walk into it, unlike a lot of park models, first of all, I'm right here by the road, and if you notice how quiet it got, very well insulated, how quiet it got when I closed the door. Again, you got these beautiful double pane, easy clean windows, okay? And what I love is that dark floor. You got your white walls, and then you got your tongue and groove dark stained ceiling, okay? Which kind of gives it that open space. If I walk around this way, you'll see the living room area where you got your Bosch mini split right there above the door. You got your recessed lights, you got your fan, and again, 2 windows on that side and 2 windows on that side, and then the big glass window in the front door allows all kinds of natural light into this unit, okay? Absolutely beautiful. So again, here's your remote control. for your Bosch mini split. And again, let me turn around. Now, let's say you want to get the tongue and groove knotty pine walls instead of the birch walls here. You can do that, okay? So keep that in mind. Or maybe you like the smooth walls and you want to paint them a different color. Keep in mind you can do that. Now you heard me mention a second ago, the walls on these park models, the way the Amish do it, this is not sheetrock. This ain't drywall, y'all. This is actual real, listen. You hear that? That's real wood. That's real birch plywood painted white. That way, you're not worried about when you are bouncing up and down the highway, that drywall bending and breaking and warping on your walls, right? This wood ain't gonna warp. This is solid birch plywood painted white. So that way it ain't warping, it ain't coming off the walls. It is built solid, built to last, built by the Amish, okay? So up there you see we got a generous sized loft where you could put easily a big old king bed or a couple of full-size beds or 4 twin mattresses up there, no problem. Okay, so there's that. And then here you got your kitchen sink, all modern, real modernized aesthetic, right? Got your little countertop, you got your electric stove, and remember, it comes just like you see it. This is all General Electric microwave, full-size microwave, full-size 4-burner stove. Across from the kitchen here, you got maybe you could use this for like your little spice cabinets. See what I'm saying? Get your little spice cabinet or something right here across from the kitchen, or storing your goods. Okay, so there's that there. And again, I'm 6'6", y'all, and my head ain't hitting the ceiling. Now it's close, but even at 6'6", I'm not having a duck right here, and I'm 6'6". So if you're shorter than 6'6", you're good to go. Now, if you're 6'8" or 6'9", you might have a problem. And this room right here can easily accommodate a queen size bed or smaller. King size would be pushing it, but it would easily accommodate a queen or full size bed, no problem. Okay, so again, this is what it looks like here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you the loft. Let's take a couple steps here and show you what that looks like. So again, I really love the convenience of these steps, because again, I'm more of a steps guy than a set of ladders. And voila. So again, you got a window on that side, allowing all kinds of natural light, beautiful dark ceilings, and then you got your window on this side. You got all kinds of electrical outlets here, so the kids can hook up their laptops and telephones and their video games. And like I said, this is big enough to easily put a king size bed, actually you could probably put 2 full beds side by side, or probably like 3, I don't know, it's hard to measure. I'd say probably 3 twin mattresses up here, no problem.